There was a time when strength meant silence. The wolf, a symbol of instinct, resilience, and power. The side of every man that fights, protects, and leads. Then came the color pink, the softer side of life. Gentle, healing, and full of energy. True strength is not in how much we endure, but in how deeply we feel. It's love, not in grand gestures, but in small, human moments. The care that defines who we are. When strength opens its heart, it finds purpose, family, connection, balance. True power lies not in dominance, but in togetherness, in balance, in care. And so begins a movement for men who embrace their strength and their softness. Pink Woolf celebrates this harmony, crafting products for men who care, reflect, and live with awareness. The evolution of masculinity isn't about changing who we are. It's about rediscovering the softness we've forgotten we have. Pink Woolf, the softer side of strength,